to part 1 of our series on designing your life. In this segment, we will focus on establishing your goals by understanding the importance of being specific, measurable, attainable, and relevant. If you have been feeling uncertain about your life's direction, whether it's relationships, job satisfaction, or your current living situation, and you are determined to make a change, this video is for you. Let's ensure that this year you design your life exactly the way you want to live. To assist you on this transformative journey, we will start by creating a resolution journal from scratch. Whether you have a goal or resolution planner or just a blank notebook, the first step is envisioning yourself in 5 years. This big picture view sets the stage for your future aspirations. So dream big and break down these dreams into actionable steps. In this segment, we will delve into breaking down those big dreams into achievable milestones, reflecting on this year's best possible outcomes, and taking an honest moment for self-reflection. Each step is crucial in shaping the life you desire. In the next part 2, we will explore the remaining components of the acronym SMARTER goal setting, focusing on being timely, ethical, and ensuring your goals are rewarding. For now, in this part 1, let's embark on the journey to design a life you want. As I mentioned at the beginning, if you are at a crossroads in life, questioning your direction in relationships, job fulfillment, or your current living circumstances, if you are eager to steer your life in a new purposeful direction, this video series is tailor-made for you. So let's embark on a transformative journey together this year, crafting your life according to your aspirations and achieving the destinations and goals you want. To help you achieve this, we will start by creating a resolution journal from scratch. If you don't have a goal or resolution journal or planner, simply get a blank notebook. Number 1. Let's start with the big picture vision. On the first page, envision yourself in 5 years. Write it down at the top of your journal or notebook. This big picture view sets the stage for your future aspirations. And dream. Dream big. For instance, consider the Wright brothers, who after research and development, they created the first successful powered airplane in 1903. So dream big, just like they did. Next, break down the dream. Underneath your 5-year vision, write down smaller steps to reach that dream. You can check out my YouTube video, The Power of Small Steps, on my channel for detailed guidance on initiating your life design. Let's consider the example of someone starting an exercise resolution. Ensure you prepare the day before the necessary equipment and clothing to eliminate excuses for not working out. Identify your preferred cardio activities such as running, cycling, swimming, yoga, or gym workouts, and define and note the specific exercise goals. Create a weekly exercise schedule within your goal or resolution planner. You can write, incorporate cardio exercises for 30 minutes 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and Tuesday and Thursday, including strength training, and review it on end of the week. For checkpoints, you will set achievable milestones to maintain momentum and commitment to your fitness goals. For instance, if your goal involves fitness, consider milestones like completing a 5K run in 3 months, mastering a new yoga pose in a month, or reaching a specific weightlifting target within 6 weeks. These milestones act as a checkpoints, keeping you motivated and on track towards your larger fitness aspirations. Now, take a moment to consider what you envision as the best possible outcome for this year. Reflect on the best thing that could happen to you this year. Think about your personal growth, such as getting fit, excelling in academics, mastering a new skill, securing an internship, or achieving a personal milestone. Write it down in the present tense, like, I work out every day, I excel in my studies, I master coding, I secure my dream internship. This exercise helps you to solidify your aspirations and sets a positive tone for the year ahead. Moving forward, I encourage you to take an honest moment for self-reflection. Identify the aspects you need to work on, the environment you want to change, or friendships. Be completely honest with yourself. This self-reflection is crucial. Consider aspects like better time management, improve communication skills, changing your friends, stopping smoking, or managing better your stress. Identify areas where improvement is required, such as better time allocation for studies, enhancing communication in group projects, or practicing stress relief techniques. Being completely honest with yourself during this self-reflection is crucial for personal growth and development. Stay tuned for part 2, where we will explore the remaining components of the acronym Smarter Goal Setting, focusing on being timely and ethical and ensuring your goals are rewarding. Get ready to craft a life that truly aligns with your vision and values. Your future awaits, and I'm thrilled to continue this adventure with you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the upcoming content that will help you design a life that truly aligns with your vision and values. Your future awaits, and I'm thrilled to continue this adventure with you.